Figure shows 5 vessels, each made of the same metal and containing water. The temperature of the air surrounding each vessel is 25 degrees Celsius. The table shows details about each vessel and their contents. Temperature of water in each vessel will fall by 15 degrees Celsius. I. Explain why the water in D takes longer to cool than the water in E. Okay, let's look carefully to D and E. First, the outer surface of D is shiny, but the outer surface of E is dull. So what difference does this make? This is D and this is E. D is painted by a shiny color, but E is painted black. The hot water inside D will keep its heat because of the shiny reflecting surface, so a small amount of heat can be radiated and emitted outside the water. But let's have a look on E. The black surface of E is a bad reflector, so a very few heat radiation will be reflected back and a lot of heat will escape by radiation. Because black surface is a good radiator and good emitter of heat radiation, so it's clear that E will cool faster. The answer will be dull surface of E is better radiator, or you can say emitter, and bad reflector, so heat can escape easier than the shiny surface of D. Question II. Explain why the water in C cools more quickly than the water in A. Let's have a look on A and C. They are same in everything but the initial temperature and the size of the container. The initial temperature of C is 95, but the initial temperature of A is 80. Let's see what this different initial temperature will do. Even if the two containers were the same, C has higher temperature, which is 95. The higher temperature causes faster rate of evaporation. From the kinetic theory, we know that the faster rate of evaporation causes the more cooling effect. Also, the difference between 95 and the surround is greater than the difference between 80 and the surround. That's why the initial rate of cooling for 95 is faster. So we can say that C has higher temperature, so faster rate of evaporation and greater temperature difference with the surround. This causes greater amount of heat loss.